So in the question number 8 is x square plus y square whole raised to power 2 equals xy, and we have to do the same. So here x square plus y square whole raised to power 2 will be treated as x square. So the differentiation of x square is just 2x, and x is nothing but x square plus y square, and its power 2 minus 1 only 1, so I am not writing the power. Now x square gets 2x, and 2y is the differentiation of y square, and y is dy over dx equal. Now x is at x same dy over dx plus y same x is 1. Now let me multiply the with this term with the bracket. So I get 2x square plus 2y square times of 2x plus 2y dy over dx equal x times dy over dx plus y, or 2x square times of 2x I get 4x cube plus 2x square times of 2y dy over dx I get 4x square by dy over dx plus 2y square times of 2x I get 4xy square plus 4y cube times dy over dx equals dy over dx plus y. Now let me take common dy over dx from here and here. I get dy over dx and 4x square by plus 4y cube and minus x equal by minus this term and that term. So this is the minus 4x cube and minus 4xy square. So the dy over dx is by minus 4x cube minus 4xy square divided by 4x square by plus 4y cube minus x. So this is the differentiation of this equation with respect to x. Now let's do question number 9. Question number 9 is x square plus y square equals log xy. So question number 9 is x square plus y square equals log x plus y. So the differentiation of x square is 2x, and the differentiation of y square is 2y, and the differentiation of y with respect to x is dy over dx equal log x plus y is differentiated as 1 over x plus y. Now x is 1 and y is dy over dx, or 2x plus 2y dy over dx equal 1 over x plus y. I am multiplying the 1 over x plus y with the bracket, and plus 1 over x plus y times of dy over dx. Now dy over dx is here and there, so it can be taken as common. So dy over dx is common from 2y and minus 1 over x plus y equal 1 over x plus y minus 2x, or dy over dx I am taking LCM x plus y, so it will be multiplied with the 2y. So this is x plus y plus 1 and divided by x plus y equal 1 minus 2x times of x plus y divided by x plus y. Now dy over dx equal 1 minus 2x times of x plus y divided by this term. So this is 2y times of x plus y plus 1, and x plus y is cancelled by x plus y after multiplying with the RHS. So this is the differentiation of question number 9. Now let's do question number 10. Question number 10 is x raised to power n plus y raised to power n equals a raised to power n. So x raised to power n gets differentiated as nx raised to power n minus 1 plus y raised to power n is differentiated as n times of y raised to power n minus 1 and dy over dx equal a raised to power n is differentiated as 0 because it is a constant. Now dy over dx times of n by n raised to power n equals minus n times of x raised to power n minus 1, or dy over dx equal minus n x raised to power n minus 1 divided by n times of y raised to power n minus 1, and it's cancelled by this one. So dy over dx is just equals to minus x divided by whole raised to power n minus 1. So this is the differentiation of question number 10. Now let's do the differentiation of question number 11. Question number 11 is x sine to y equals y cos 2x. Okay, so differentiation of x sine to y will be do by using the product formula. So x is same, sine to y gives me cos to y, and to y gives me 2 dy over dx. Now sine to y is same and x is 1 equals, now y is same, cos to x gives me minus sine to x, and 2x gives me 2. Now cos to x is same and y is dy over dx. So here dy over dx and here dy over dx can be taken as common. So dy over dx is common in the 2x cos 2y. This is of negative. After taking shift from RHS to LHS, I get this is cos 2x only, and the remaining terms are minus 2y sine 2x, and this term, this is the plus sine 2y. So the dy over dx of this question is sine 2y. I am writing the positive term first, minus 2y sine 2x divided by this term. This is the 2x cos 2y minus cos 2x. So this is the differentiation of question number 11. Now let's do question number 12. Question number 12 is question number 12 is sin square x plus 2 cos y plus xy equals 0. Okay, so sin square x is 2 sin x, and the differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus now 2 cos y is just minus sin y, and y is dy over dx, plus now x is same, dy over dx, I am using the product formula differentiation, plus y same x is 1 equals 0. Let me take dy over dx as common from this term and that term. So I get dy over dx and x minus 2 sin y plus this y and this 2 sin x cos x, and the 2 sin x cos x is just sin 2x equals 0. So dy over dx equal minus y sin 2x. After shifting this whole term into the RHS, I get this one, and x minus 2 sin y. I can also include this minus with this, and so that 2 sin y and minus sin x will be the form of this question in the denominator. Now let's do question number 13. Question number 13 is by sec x plus tan x plus x square y equals 0. So by same sec x is just sec x into tan x. Now sec x is same and y is dy over dx, plus tan x is again sec square x, and now x square is same, y gives me dy over dx, and plus y is same and x gave me 2x equals 0. Let me take dy over dx as common from the whole equation. I get sec x and plus x square plus sec square x and plus 2x by and plus y times of sec x into tan x equals 0. Now So dy over dx equal minus sec square x plus 2x by sec x tan x and divided by this term. So this is the x square plus sec x. So this is the final answer. Now let's do question number 14. Question number 14 is cot x by plus x by equals by. So cot x by gives me minus cosec square x by, and x is same and dy over dx plus now by is same, x is 1 plus again x is same and by is dy over dx and plus by is same, x is 1 equals dy over dx. This is the differentiation of this by. Now let me multiply this cosec square x by with the bracket. I get minus cosec square x by with x times of dy over dx and minus, sorry this is minus by times of cosec square x by and plus this term, this is the same, so x dy over dx plus by and equals dy over dx. Now let me take common the dy over dx from here, here and here. So after taking common I get dy over dx as this is x, this is minus cosec square x by, and from here minus 1 because when dy over dx will be go into LHS, so it will be of negative, and the remaining terms are minus by cosec square x by and by. So I am taking these terms into the RHS, so minus by cosec square x by will be of positive, so by cosec square x by and this by will be of negative, and dy over dx equals by is common into this factor, so this is cosec square x by minus 1 and divided by this one. This is the x minus cosec square by x by and minus 1. So this is our final answer. Now let's do question number 15. Question number 15 is by tan x minus by square cos x and plus 2x equals 0. So by same, tan x gives me sec square x, now tan x is same and by gives me dy over dx, minus by square is same and cos x gives me minus sin x, and now cos x is same, by square gives me 2 by dy over dx and plus 2 equals 0 because x is 1. Now let me take common dy over dx from the above equation. I get dy over dx and tan x is left from here, and this is the minus cos 2 by minus cos x times of 2 by, and here okay, so this is enough, and the remaining terms are plus by square sec square x, and this is minus plus by square sin x and plus 2 equals 0. So dy over dx is equals to minus by square sec square x minus by square sin x minus 2. I am taking this equation, the part of all the equation and this part into the RHS, so this is of negative and divided by the multiplier of dy over dx, which is tan x minus 2y times of cos x. So this is the answer of the question number 15. Let's do other questions. So now question number 16 is e raised to power x log by equals sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. So now e raised to power x is same and log y is just 1 over y and dy over dx, and plus now log y is same and the differentiation of e raised to power x is just e raised to power x, equal differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 over under root 1 minus x square, and plus differentiation of sine inverse y is 1 over under root 1 minus y square, and the differentiation of y is dy over dx. Let me take common dy over dx from the whole equation. I get e raised to power x divided by y minus 1 over under root 1 minus y square from here, and also 1 over under root 1 minus x square minus this term. This is log y times of e raised to power x. Dy over dx times I am taking LCM, so this is y times of under root 1 minus y square and e raised to power x into under root 1 minus y square and minus y. Also 1 minus under root 1 minus x square times of e raised to power x log y and divided by under root 1 minus x square. So the dy over dx of this question is this y will be of product of this factor, so y times of under root 1 minus y square divided by under root 1 minus x square. So I am taking both the terms into the same square root, or 1 minus under root 1 minus x square times of e raised to power x log y divided by this term. This is e raised to power x under root 1 minus y square and minus y. This is the final answer of this question. Now let's do question number 17. Question number 17 is x by times of log x plus y equals 1. So this is the product of three functions, so we can use this formula. The differentiation of three functions with the same variable. Let fx, gx and hx are the three functions with one product. So the differentiation of the whole product simultaneously is differentiation of f of x and other are same. Now differentiation of second function and first and second are same, third are same. Differentiation of second function. Now plus first and second are same and differentiation of third function. So I am using this formula. You can just note down this formula if you don't have this. So x is same, differentiation of x is 1 and y and log x plus y are same. Plus now x is same, y is dy over dx and log x plus y is same. Plus now x y is same and log x upon y, log x plus y will be 1 over x plus y, and now x is 1 and y is dy over dx and 1 is 0. So y log x plus y plus x times dy over dx log x plus y. I am multiplying x y divided by x plus y with the bracket and I get x y divided by x plus y and plus x y divided by x plus y times of dy over dx equals 0. Here dy over dx and here dy over dx can be taken as common. So the x log x plus y plus x y divided by x plus y are the remaining term from here and there, and plus this is x y divided by x plus y and plus y log x plus y equals 0. So dy over dx times of x plus y multiply by this, so x times of x plus y and log x plus y and plus x y divided by x plus y. X plus y multiplied by x log x plus y is here and x y is here and divided by x plus y is here. Plus, I am taking both the two terms into the RHS and I get minus x y plus, and also I multiply x plus y with the y log x plus y and I get y times x plus y. So this was a question number 17. Now let's do question number 18. Question number 18 is ten x plus y plus 10 x minus y equals 1. So the differentiation of 10x plus y will be sec square x plus y, and x is 1 and y is dy over dx. Now same sec square x minus y and 1 minus dy over dx equals 0. So dy over dx is here and also there, so I am taking common. So and the remaining terms are sec square x plus y from here, then I multiply the sec square x plus y into the bracket, and from here negative sec square x minus y, and the remaining terms are sec square x plus y times 1 and sec square x minus y times 1, and I am taking both the product into the RHS, and I get with the negative sign. So minus sec square x plus y and plus sec square x minus y. So dy over dx equal minus sec square x plus y plus sec square x minus y divided by sec square x plus y and minus sec square x minus y. You also can include this minus with that. So this is the answer for question number 18. Now let's do question number 19. 19 is log under root x square plus y square equal tan inverse y over x. So log x square plus y square will be 1 over under root x square plus y square. Now this is root x, so root x is 1 over 2 root x. Now x square gives me 2x and y square gives me 2y, dy over dx equal tan inverse y over x will be 1 over 1 plus y square divided by x square. Now y over x, so this is the quotient of y over x. So the formula is square of the denominator and denominator same, differentiation of numerator minus, now numerator is same and differentiation of denominator. So denominator is x, so its differentiation is 1. Now let me take common 2 from this bracket, and that 2 will be cancelled by this 2, and the product of square root of x square plus y square with the same will be leads to only 1 power. So the remaining terms are only 1 over x square plus y square times of this value. So this is x plus y times of dy over dx equal, this is x square plus y square, and x square will be in the product of numerator, and this is x times of dy over dx minus y, and this x square is, I am taking that square here. This x square cancelled by this x square, and the product of 1 over x square plus y square with the bracket is plus y divided by x square plus y square times of dy over dx equal x divided by x square plus y square times of dy over dx and minus y times of x square plus y square. So here and from here dy over dx is common, so dy over dx is common, and y divided by x square plus y square and minus x divided by x square plus y square equal, this is of the negative, and when I shift this term into the RHS, so it will also be negative. So this is minus x divided by x square plus y square and plus y divided by x square plus y square after negative is common. Here you can see x square plus y square and x square plus y square both are appearing. So the LCM of all this factor is x square plus y square, and the same for this value. So the LCM after taking will be cancelled. So the remaining term are dy over dx and y minus x equals x plus by into minus 1. So dy over dx is just minus x plus by dy over, sorry, x plus by divided by pi minus x, or x plus by divided by x minus y. So this is the final answer. Now let's do question number 20. Question number 20 is, if by equals x sin by, prove that x dot dy over dx equal by divided by 1 minus x cos by. So in the question we have by equals x sin by. Let this equation is 1. Sorry. So let's do differentiation. So by is dy over dx equal x same, sin by gives me cos by and dy over dx, plus now sin by is same and x is 1, so I am not writing that one. Now dy over dx can be taken as common, so dy over dx is common from here and from here, so this is minus x cos by equal sin by, or dy over dx equal sin by divided by 1 minus x cos by. Now you can look into the first equation. From there we can put the value of sin by as by over x, so I am writing that value. Dy over dx is just pi over x, and this is 1 over 1 minus x cos by. So I have used the equation number first, equation number 2, again sin by equals to by over x from equation number 1, so this is by over x and 1 over 1 minus x cos by. Now this is by over x times of 1 minus x cos by, and this is dy over dx. This x can be taken here, so this x is dy over dx equals by over x times 1 minus x cos by. Sorry. So this was to be proved. So the question number 21 is, x by equals tan x by, and we have to prove that dy over dx must be equal minus by over x. So we have x by equals tan x by. So the differentiation of the product is x is same, by is dy over dx, plus by is same, x is 1, equals tan x by is just sec square x by, and x is same, by is dy over dx, plus by is same, x is 1. Let me take common dy over dx. I get x minus, this is sec square x by times of x, so x sec square x by, and equal by times of sec square x by and minus this by. So dy over dx is just equal, I am taking by as common, so by is common, and sec square x by minus 1. Also here x is common, so x is common, 1 minus sec square x by. I can take minus as common from the numerator in order to write it as 1 minus sec square x by dy over, sorry, sec square x by over x times of 1 minus sec square x by. Now this all terms will be cancelled and our answer is minus by over x, which was to be proved. Now let's do question number 22. Question number 22 is, if by log x equal x minus by, then prove that dy over dx equals log x divided by 1 plus log x whole square. So we have question number 22, by log x equal x minus by, and we have to prove that dy over dx equals log x divided by 1 plus log x square. So same, by is same, log x is just 1 over x, and plus now log x is same and by is dy over dx, equal now x is 1 and by is just dy over dx. Let me take common dy over dx. So dy over dx is common, and log so this is x log x, and this is plus 1 equal 1 minus y over x. Okay, now dy over dx equal, this is x minus y divided by x times of log x plus 1. Okay, now from equation first we can write the value of x minus y as by log x. So this is by log x and divided by it is x times of log x plus 1, and it is going to equal dy over dx. So also we have here by over x from equation number first, by over x from equation number first can be written as, I am just rewrite the equation number 1, just rewrite the equation number 1. So equation 1 is by log x, that's this equation number 2. By log x equal to x minus y. So I am taking by as common from the both sides of by is common, and here log x, and this is plus 1 equals x. So from here by over x equals 1 over 1 plus log x. So I can put by over x equals 1 over 1 plus log x in the equation number 2. So equation number 2 implies that dy over dx equals 1 divided by 1 plus log x times of log x divided by 1 plus log x, or log x divided by 1 plus log x all square, and this was to be proved. So this is the provement of the question number 22. Now let's do question number 23. So question number 23 is cos by equals x cos by plus a, and prove that dy over dx equals cos square by plus a divided by sin a. Okay, so let's say this equation is 1. Now let's differentiate the cos by. So cos by is just minus sin by, and by is dy over dx equals, x is same, the cos by plus a is minus sin by plus a. Now by plus a is dy over dx and a is 0. Okay, now cos by plus a is same, and the differentiation of x is 1, so I am not writing that. Now dy over dx can be taken as common. So here this minus term will be of negative, sorry positive. So this x is sin by plus a, and this is minus sin by, and equals, this is cos by plus a only. Okay, so this is dy over dx equal cos by plus a divided by x times sin by plus a minus sin by. Now in order to match our answer with the provement, we can just use equation number 1. From there we can put the value of this x from here. So x is just cos by divided by cos by plus a. Okay, so I am writing the value of x from the equation number 1, which is dy over dx equals cos by plus a divided by x is just cos by over cos by plus a. Okay, and multiply this sin by plus a and minus sin by. Okay, and after taking LCM cos by plus a in the denominator of this factor, I can write cos by times of sin by plus a minus sin by times of cos by plus a, and this cos by plus a will be going the multiply of the numerator. So numerator will become cos square by plus a, and the denominator is cos by times of sin by plus a and minus sin by times of cos by plus a. Now you can look in the denominator, as this is just as cos a sin b minus sin a cos b, so it is just formula of sin a minus b. So let me use another paper. So this is here cos square by plus a, cos square by plus a divided by, this is the formula of the sine a minus b. So sine a is by plus a and minus b is just by. So by can be cancelled by and the remaining terms are cos square by plus a divided by sine a, and this was to be proved according to the question. Now let's do the question number 24. So question number 24 is just cos inverse x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square is equals tan inverse a, and we have to prove that dy over dx should be equals to y over x. In order to do this question, I can write it as x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square equals cos tan inverse a. Okay, now in order to solve this question, for the convenient I can take the logarithmic of the both sides. So I am taking log of both sides and I get log of this equals to log of this, and this is the log m over n, so it can be written as log m minus log n equals log cos tan inverse a. Now let's differentiate this equation. So log x is just 1 over x square and y square, and x square gets 2x and minus 2y dy over dx, and minus 1 over x square plus y square multiply by just 2x and plus 2y dy over dx and equals to, this is all here there is no variable, so it is constant, so its value is just 0. So let me rearrange these terms. This is 2x minus 2y dy over dx, so let me multiply this term. Here 2x divided by x square minus y square minus 2y divided by x square minus y square times dy over dx minus 2x divided by x square plus y square and minus, now let me take common dy over dx from here and there. I get dy over dx as common, and the remaining terms are minus 2y divided by x square minus y square and minus 2y divided by x square plus y square equal, I am taking this term and this term into the RHS, so this term will be of positive 2x over x square plus y square, and minus this term will be of negative 2x divided by x square minus y square. Okay, so here dy over dx times of 2y times of x square plus y square and 2y, so this is 2y times of x square plus y square and minus 2y times of x square minus y square and divided by x square minus y square and x square plus y square equals same. Here I am taking 2x as common. Okay, that will be do again. 2x times of x square minus y square minus 2x times of x square plus y square and divided by x square plus y square and x square minus y square. This LCM is same, so it can be cancelled, and the remaining terms are this and that. So the remaining terms are dy over dx. This is the 2y minus 2y x square plus y square minus 2y x square minus y square. So this is of minus x square plus y square and minus 2y times of x square minus y square equals, this is 2x times of x square minus y square and minus 2x times of x square plus y square. Okay, so here 2y can be taken as common, here 2x can be taken as common, and 2 will be cancelled with each other, and the remaining terms are x divided by y, and this is x square minus y square minus x square and minus plus minus by square and divided by this is just minus x square and just pi square and minus x square and minus minus plus by square. So this is just equal, both all the terms are cancelled. It is cancelled by this and it is cancelled, oh sorry, it is indeterminate form. Whole the term is the same, as you can see that this is x square minus x square and by square is by square, and both the terms are same. So this is cancelled by 1 and the remaining terms are only x over y. So this is dy over dx, which was to be proved. Okay, so this is enough about this exercise, and the successive exercise we will do in the next video. Okay, so just wait the next video.